Yes, good morning everyone. Um, so we move on to the next question of exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2, question number 4. Question number 4 is a pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depression to hold pens. The depression of the cuboid is, the dimensions of the cuboid are 15, 10 and 3.5 centimeter. There is a cuboidal pen stand, right? There is a cuboidal pen stand. This is cuboidal pen stand and its length, breadth and height are given. L is equal to 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and its height 3.5 centimeter. Right. There are four conical depression. Okay. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with the 4 conical depression. Conical depression means this. यहाँ पर आपके पास 4 conical depression है, right? I am showing only 2. In your book it is giving 4. Okay, so that you can easily put your pen in the stand. And the radius of the each depression is 0.5 centimeter. So radius of this conical depression is 0.5 centimeter and height of this depression is this depression is 1.4 centimeter, right? So you need to find out the volume of the wood in the entire stand. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस पूरे स्टैंड में कितना वुड यूज हुआ है. सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट यू विल डू, what you will do?
हाँ हाँ अंदर कहीं नहीं जा रहे, घर में आ रहे आ रहे हाँ ना नहीं जा रहे.
अच्छा ठीक हो जाएगा. ओके. So there are 4 conical depression here. Okay. So we need to find out the volume of the wood in this entire stand. So what we will do? We will find out the volume of this cuboid and minus volume of 4 conical depression. Then you will get the volume of wood in the entire stand. Okay. So volume of wood in the entire stand will be equal to volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone, right? So volume of cuboid, as you know, that L into B into H, and minus 4 into volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now L is 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter minus 4 into 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, and r square is 0.5 into 0.5, and to h is 1.4. So 7 2s are 14, 0.2, okay, and this will be equal to 15 into 3.5 into 10 is 35, minus this will be equal to 22 into 4 is 88 by 3 into 5 5s are 0.25 into 0.2. So 15 5s are 75 and 15 3s are 45, 45 or 7, 52, minus multiply this, that will be equal to 88 into 52s are 100. So 0, this will be equal to 0.001 by 3, means this will be equal to 0.1. So 5.25 minus 88 into 0.1 is 8.8 by 3. So 5.25 minus 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6 and 3 2 बच गया यहाँ पर, 3 9s are 27 है ना, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27 and 1 बचा तो 3 3s are 9, that is 2.93, and when you solve this you will get the answer. Okay, so in this way you can find out volume of wood in the entire stem. Please note down. So this will be equal to 525.00 and 2.93. So 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 4 here, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 and 5. So 522 point something, that will be equal to what is the answer? 523.53 is the correct answer. 523 by. So you can see 5 5s are 25 and 0.7 2s are 14. 1 by 3 pi r square h is 14. R is 0.5 into 0.5. So 50 25. Sorry, yeah, this is wrong. Why? Because 25 into 2 is 50, na? 25 into 2 is 50. 50 and after 3 places of decimal. So this will be equal to 0.05. Sorry. So when you multiply this, what you will get? 5 8s are 40 and 5 8s are 40 and 4 44. 5 8s are 40 and 5 8s are 40 and 14 for 44. After 2 places I have done 4.4 by 3. Right? So this becomes 525 minus 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 6s are 18. So approximately 1.46. So 525.00 minus 1.46. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 4 minus 1 is 3, that is 523.54. So that will be equal to 523.54 centimeter cube. Right? So this is the correct answer. Yes, 523 by 54 centimeter cube is the volume of wood in the entire island. Is that clear? And please note down. Okay. So next question. I am taking next question. The next question is a vessel. Question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Inverted cone means ulta cone, right? This is inverted cone. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. So height is given 8 centimeter. Height is given 8 centimeter, and the radius of the top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. So radius of the top is 5 centimeter given, and it is filled with water up to the brim. इसमें पूरा पानी भरा हुआ, brim means एकदम top तक पानी. Water is filled here. Water. Okay, this is very good question. When the lead shots, each of which is in the shape of sphere of radius 0.5 centimeters are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. इसमें स्फीयर, छोटे छोटे स्फीयर्स हम डाल रहे हैं, ठीक, ये स्फीयर्स डाल रहे हैं, एंड रेडियस ऑफ दिस स्फीयर, सपोज रेडियस ऑफ दिस स्फीयर is capital R, right? And sphere is of radius 0.5 centimeter. So radius of this sphere is 0.5 centimeter. Okay. When the small spheres of lead are pouring into this vessel, then 1/4 of the water is flows out. 1/4 water उसका बाहर आ जाएगा, right? So what you need to find? You need to find how much balls are dropped into this vessel. मतलब आपको कितने सारे बॉल इसमें डालेंगे जिससे कि 1/4 of water will comes out, which flows out from this vessel. So first of all, find out the volume of water in the conical vessel. Volume of water in the conical vessel. Conical vessel. It is inverted cone है ना? Vessel in the form of inverted. Yes. Is in the conical vessel. That will be equal to volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. So that will be equal to 1/3 pi r. Value of r is 5 centimeter. That is 5 into 5. And height of the inverted cone is 8 centimeter. So this will be equal to 5 5 are 25. 25 into 8 is 200. 200 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Right? Now find out the volume of the small sphere. Volume of small sphere. Volume of each small sphere. Each small sphere. That will be equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So this becomes 4/3 pi and r. R means capital R, na? Because the radius of this sphere is capital R. We have assumed here 0.5. So 4/3 and r cube is 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So this becomes 4/3 pi into this will be equal to 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. I have removed the decimal. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are. And this is also cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are and 2 to cancel. So this becomes what? This will be equal to pi by 6 ना. और कुछ बचा नहीं ऊपर में देखो. Only pi is in the numerator and this is 3 to the 6, that is pi by 6 centimeter cube. Okay, so this volume of each sphere is what? That is pi by 6. Okay, so we'll assume that let n number of small spheres, means small balls, ball sphere, let n number of small spheres are dropped into the cone, into the vessel. हमने क्या assume कर लिया कि इसमें n number of spheres we have dropped into this conical vessel. Then volume of n spheres will be equal to volume of n small spheres will be equal to n into pi by 6, because volume of one small sphere is pi by 6. So therefore volume of n small spheres will be equal to n into pi by 6. Is that clear? Okay. Now I am rubbing here. Okay, I am rubbing this portion, and when small balls are dropped into the vessel, how much water is flowing out? How much water? That is 1/4 of the water flows out, right? When small spheres are dropped, then volume of water flows out, that will be equal to 1/4 of this volume. जो टोटल आपका इन्वर्टेड कोन का जो वॉल्यूम है उसका 1/4, तो 1/4 will take 1/4 of 200 pi by 3. So 4 5s are, that will be equal to 50 pi by 3. So जब हम लोग बॉल डाले तो इतना अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर बाहर आया. This water comes out due to these balls. When you are pouring this ball or inserting or dropping this ball into the vessel, then this amount of water is coming out, flows out. It means volume of this will be equal to volume of this. So, but what? But n into pi by 6 will be equal to 50 pi by 3. So pi cancel. So n will be equal to 50 by 3 and into 6. So 3 2s are 6. So n is equal to 100. Right? It means when you dropped 100 spheres or 100 balls into that conical vessel, then this amount of water means this amount of water will flows out from the conical vessel. So this is very good question and very important also. Please note down. सो आई होप ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आया होगा. ठीक है. So I am rubbing this. I am taking the next question. So next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and the base diameter is 24 centimeter. Okay, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. Means one cylinder is already here. One cylinder is already here and whose height is how much? 220 centimeter. And diameter of the base is 24 centimeter. So definitely radius will be what? 12 centimeter. Okay. And which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. इसके ऊपर एक cylinder और है. Right? It is having one more cylinder surmounted over this cylinder and height of this cylinder. So give that the height of this cylinder is how much? 60 centimeter and its radius is 8 centimeter. So I am taking capital R, 8 centimeter, because both the cylinders are having what? The different parameters. दोनों की height अलग अलग है and both are having the different radius. So we'll take the different variables. For this I have taken small h and small r and capital H and capital R. Now what you need to find? You need to find the mass of the pole, and given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram of mass, and you have to use pi is equal to 3.14, right? You have to use pi is equal to 3.14. So how will you find out the mass? For finding out mass, you need volume of the pole, iron pole. So first of all, you will find out the volume of the pole. ठीक है? So volume of pole will be equal to volume of this cylinder, volume of upper cylinder plus volume of lower cylinder. Only you have to apply the formula here. So volume of upper cylinder will be equal to pi r square h, and volume of lower cylinder will be equal to pi small r square h. Only pi is common here, so you can take out pi common. R square h plus r square h. So pi is given 3.14, right? And capital R is 8, so 8 into 8 into h is 16, and small r is 12, so 12 into 12, and h is 220. Okay, so you will just multiply it and simplify this, and you will get answer in centimeter cube, right? जो भी आएगा उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देना, पहले मल्टीप्लाई करके जो भी आएगा 3.14 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. Then how will you find out mass? So mass of the pole will be equal to what is its density is given 8 gram na. So mass will be equal to volume into density. You have already studied in class in science. So 1 centimeter cube में कितना है? 8 ग्राम है. So इतने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कितना होगा? 8 gram into this one ना. So this will be equal to 8 gram into this amount you will write here. Okay, 8 gram into this, so you will get the answer. So आप लोग इसको solve करना. So I'm solving here. So 3.14 into 8 is a 64 into 60. 64 into 60 will be equal to 3840. 3840 plus 12 12s are 144. 144 into 220. This is 31,680. So 3.14 into this will be equal to 335,520. That is equal to 111,532.8 centimeter cube. Now multiply this by 11532.8 centimeter cube. Okay, so into 8 will be equal to 892262.4 gram. Now you can convert it into kilogram. So 892262.4 divided by 1000, that will be converted into kg. So यहाँ से 3 प्लेस इधर आ जाएगा. So that will be equal to 892.26 kg approximately. ठीक है? This is your final answer. Okay. So this is very easy question. You please note down. Now, next question. Next question is also very easy. That is question number 7. Question number 7 is a solid consists of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter is standing on the hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. There is a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, right? It is having the radius r is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, and a solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter is standing on the hemisphere. अब इसके ऊपर एक one cylinder is surmounted, right? And its measurement is also given. So its height of this cylinder is h. Suppose h is equal to 120 centimeter given, and radius of this will be same, right? Because both are having the same base. Okay, and hemisphere radius 600 is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water. अब इस नहीं, ये solid consistent circular cone. Sorry, this is not the cylinder. This is the cone. Sorry, this is surmounted by cone, not the cylinder. This is surmounted by cone. Sorry, and its height is 120 centimeter and having the same base, means radius is 160 centimeter, and this complete object is inside a right circular cylinder, right. इस पूरे को एक राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर के अंदर डाल दिया गया है, right. Then find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and height of the वो कितनी हो जाएगी. Now the height of this cylinder, bigger cylinder जिसके अंदर ये डाला गया है, that is 120 and this is 60 ना, that is 180. So height of this bigger cylinder H will be equal to 120 plus 60, that is 180 centimeter, right. And radius will be same, क्योंकि इसका रेडियस भी सेम होगा. R is equal to 6, सबका बेस सेम है ना. R is equal to 60 centimeter. Now this is full of water. When you insert this object in this cylinder, then how much water left in the cylinder you need to find. Okay, so volume of water left in the cylinder will be equal to volume of water left in the cylinder will be equal to what? That is volume of cylinder and minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Right? Now solve this. Volume of cylinder is radius is same R, that is 60, to pi R square H, that is pi capital R, sorry, small r, pi R square or H is capital. Okay, minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi R square H, because its height is H, na? 1 by 3 pi R square H, and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi R cube. So what we can take out common? Pi R square and pi R square we can take out common. So I am taking out pi R square common here. When you take pi R square common, H will remain here, and after taking out pi R square, 1 by 3 small h will remain, and plus minus pi R square जब हम निकालेंगे तो 2 by 3 R will remain. Now substitute the value of pi R and H, that is 22 by 7, and small r square is 60 into 60, right, and capital H is 180, minus 1 by 3 into small h is 120, minus 2 by 3 into R is 60, right. So 3 2s are and 3 4s are, so 22 by 7 into 3600 into 180 minus 40 and minus 40. So 22 by 7 into 3600 into 180 minus 80 is 100, na? And solve this. You will get the answer. So volume of water left in this cylinder will be equal to itna centimeter cube. Okay, so you will multiply this. So what will the final answer? Final answer will be 131. That is, when you multiply this, you will get 11314 285 285 285.57 in centimeter cube. So you will convert this into meter cube. So meter cube से convert करने के लिए आपको 11314,285.57 and divided by 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will divide by 100 into 100 into 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 places आप decimal है ना. So 6 places यहाँ से आप लेंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is approximately divided by 100 into 100 into 100 divided by that will be approximately 1.13, I think. Yes, 1.131. That will be equal to 1.131 meter cube approximately. That's all. ठीक है. So यहाँ तक ही solve करना है. और it is not said that you have to convert in meter cube. It is not given that you have to convert in meter cube. यदि यहाँ तक भी आप लिखेंगे तो you will get the full marks. Okay. So one more question is left that we'll do in the next class.